On May 1st in Nashville, Tennessee, the rain started pouring like it had never before. It rained for 2 days straight, flooding most of Middle Tennessee. The Cumberland River in downtown Nashville rose 51.8 feet, leaving the streets and buildings covered in water. One area of town that was hit the hardest was a neighborhood in Bellevue, Tennessee called River Plantation. The neighborhood sits right along the Harpeth River, where the waters rose and spilled over, flooding most of the homes in the neighborhood. The water rose in my grandparents' house about 6 feet high. They were trapped in their house for many hours on the second floor when they were finally rescued by a stranger in a canoe. They literally swam out of their house to be rescued. Everything in their house on the first floor was ruined. There were very few things that were saved after my family went in to clean up the damage. They were trying to salvage anything that they could. Thousands of people were left homeless with no belongings. Many people had nowhere to go and no one to turn to. Fifteen spots had rainfall greater than the heaviest rain associated with Hurricane Katrina in Louisiana in 2005. 2,773 businesses shut down, which affected at least 15,000 employees and the cost of at least $3.6 billion in annual revenue. Today, the streets and homes of Nashville have improved greatly. The community came together and many people opened up their homes for shelter. Thousands volunteered their time and energy to clean up houses and help in any way that they could. Many fundraisers took place where millions of dollars were raised to help rebuild the homes. Although it is still a little under construction, my grandparents quickly rebuilt and moved back into their home in September. They had the help of many friends and family, and even strangers, to regain back everything that they had lost.